Now like we will check ourselves like how much knowledge we know pertaining to the particular viral infection rabies by various multiple choice question. At the end of multiple choice question, I have one case study which we can answer. So like we will go into our first multiple choice question. So this is our first multiple choice question 1. So rabies virus is going to be an example for, so there is 4 options. Option A, single stranded RNA virus. Option B, single stranded DNA virus. Option C, double stranded RNA virus. Option D, double stranded DNA virus. So here we know this particular infection is going to be caused by a virus, that is rabies virus, which is an example for DNA or RNA virus. Can anyone tell? So it is going to be an example for RNA virus. So with this, like we are going to delineate like 2 options, which is our single stranded DNA virus and double stranded DNA virus. And we are left with 2 options. One is going to be our single stranded RNA virus and another is going to be double stranded RNA virus. So you all know the classical example for double stranded RNA virus is going to be our diarrhea causing virus, which is the rotavirus. So we are left with only one option, that is the single stranded RNA virus. So our rabies virus is going to be an example for negative sense single stranded RNA virus. So like we have learnt in our morphology, we have our envelope, then we have our glycoprotein spike, then we have the matrix protein. So inside that we have our nucleoprotein. So the nucleoprotein is made up of single stranded negative sense RNA genome. So the option is going to be single stranded RNA virus. So we are going into the multiple choice question 2. Simple vaccine, it's not used nowadays due to the reason. Option A, high rate of anaphylaxis. Option B, not immunogenic. Option C, not antigenic. Option D, it is going to be encephalotogenic. So like if you closely look, simple vaccine is going to be an example for neural or non-neural. So it is going to be an example for neural derived vaccine. So sheep brain derived vaccine. So whenever like we are going to go for any vaccination, there is going to be risk of anaphylaxis. And simple vaccine, like it is immunogenic, it is antigenic. Since we are not using due to one particular reason, can you tell what is that particular reason? Because of high rate of encephalitis. The simple vaccine, which is sheep derived vaccine, it is highly encephalotogenic. So that's why we are not using sheep derived simple vaccine. So high rate of anaphylaxis ruled out, not immunogenic ruled out, not antigenic ruled out. So the option is going to be encephalotogenic vaccine. Okay, with this we are going into multiple choice question number 3. So which of the following test is going to be considered as a gold standard test for rabies infection? Option number A, serum antibody detection. Option B, antigen detection by direct immunofluorescence test. Option C, Negri body detection. Option D, CSF antibody detection. So we all know like whenever there is going to be any infection, there is going to be an antibody response. So here like it is not going to be very specific, being India our endemic country. Here like serum antibody detection is ruled out. And Negri body detection, yes, Negri body is seen in rabies infection, but this particular detection is not a gold standard test. So like it is a pathogenic body which is seen in this particular infection but not a gold standard test. And CSF antibody, again like it is not a gold standard test. So gold standard test is going to be detection of antigen by direct immunofluorescence test, which is going to be the gold standard test for rabies. So we are going to use monoclonal antibody which is directed to detect the nucleoprotein antigen by direct immunofluorescence immunoassay. So like the correct option is option B. So serum antibody detection is wrong, Negri body detection is wrong, CSF antibody detection is going to be wrong. The final option, that is going to be the antigen detection by direct immunofluorescence test, which is a right option.